Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to set Facebook page URL. So for doing this you gotta use a app that's name is Chrome browser. So you will see here this is Chrome browser. Just tap on Chrome browser. It's okay, and right now type here Facebook. And click on Facebook. My Facebook is already logged in. If your Facebook haven't logged in yet, just log in it. It's okay. Right now we will set a URL in a Facebook page. So search your Facebook page. Search here which page you are gonna use this URL. My page name is English couple. And this is my page, and I will set or I will custom a URL here. I'm gonna show you right now how does URL work before going there. Suppose URL is a short form in a page. How it is work? Just you will see at the top side there is www.facebook.com/ you will write down your URL name, such as I'm going to show you that is www.facebook.com. Next you will use slash, this one. Next you will use your URL name. Suppose I customed a URL another page. Right now I'm going to show you how it is work. So my page name is Dal blog stream. So just search it, and you will see here just I write down after www.facebook.com/ my URL name. Next my page is come. So right now I will show you how you can do this. Just tap on back, select your page, which page you want to make URL. So I'm gonna tap on search button. I will make URL that is English couple. It's my page name. And remember, you have to be an admin or moderator in this page for making URL. So just click on it, and you will see here such kind of interface whenever you will get into a page. And next, most important is select on your page name. This is your page name, and you will see here that is @username. Next, most important is that you will find here that is you can custom URL to quickly finding your page. So just select your name. Suppose my page name is English couple, so I will make URL English couple. So write down English couple. English couple. Don't use any space before two words whenever you use any name. Don't use any space. You have to use it in together. You will see here at the top side a blue color selected mark when it will be selected. So right now this name is selected, and just create on tap on the create username. So tap on create user, yes, and then whenever it will be complete, then you will find that is you are all set. The username English couple has been created for English couple page. So you can set this way. So you can use your URL that way, and I hope you feel better right now. So if you feel better or learn something from my tutorial, I hope you will